Congratulations, friend. I'm glad to see that you ended that one-sided relationship. It's good to be a priority, but some of us out here are really struggling with that. Some of us are concerned about being alone. We're afraid to be alone, and we're afraid to hurt somebody else's feelings. Well, I have to submit to you that if you're around people who are not showing up for you, you are alone. No matter how many people were physically present with you, you are alone. Nobody understands how you feel. Nobody cares. Nobody demonstrates that they care how you feel, and you feel stuck. It sucks. I want to help you fix that. My name is Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I help people make more meaningful connections in their personal and professional life. Now, first thing I want you to do is take a deep breath, because it's scary being alone. And you might get afraid and you might run back. Don't do that. There's something new out there. There's something beautiful waiting for you, but you just need to know how to create it. I've got the tips. I've got the actionable steps. Follow me.